Hey, welcome to my DeepSeek AI Mastery video course, PLR review. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful done-for-you AI training package that lets you rebrand, resell, and keep 100% of the profits without creating a single piece of content yourself. And here's the best part. You don't need to be an AI expert, a course creator, or a tech wizard to make money with this. Everything is already done for you. Just plug in your branding and start selling instantly. Stick around because I'll also break down all the upgrades, OTOs, so you know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new here, welcome. I've spent the last 6 years mastering affiliate marketing and SEO. My goal is to help you find the best tools and strategies to build a profitable online business. So if that sounds good to you, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. And here's a special bonus. I've put together exclusive extras to help you maximize your results with DeepSeek AI Mastery PLR. These are available only through my link below, so check the description before they're gone. So, what is DeepSeek AI Mastery PLR? DeepSeek AI Mastery Video Course PLR is a complete AI training package that gives you checkmark 5 expert-level training videos covering DeepSeek AI and its applications, a 122-page in-depth training guide that's ready to sell, audio versions of the training for podcast-style learning, editable slides and voiceover scripts for easy customization, a professional sales page, lead magnets, and email swipes to start selling fast, high-quality graphics, banners, and social media assets to promote your course. It's designed for anyone who wants to tap into the booming AI market by selling their own digital product without creating content from scratch. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a real business opportunity. You're getting the tools and training, but your success depends on how you use them. If you take action, this can be a huge game changer. Standout features that caught my eye: done-for-you AI training course. Just upload and start selling. High-quality videos and ebooks, created by experts ready to rebrand. Multiple monetization options. Sell, use as lead magnets, or bundle with other offers. Professional sales materials. No need to write sales copy or design graphics. 100% editable and rebrandable. Make it your own with minimal effort. How it works. Super simple. 1. Download the PLR package from the members area. 2. Rebrand it with your logo and name. 3. Upload the sales page and start selling on Warrior Plus, JVZoo, or your own website. You don't need to create content, hire writers, or design anything. It's all done for you. Let me quickly show you a demo so you can see it in action.
Attention, entrepreneurs and AI enthusiasts. Are you ready to gain a competitive edge in the world of artificial intelligence? Imagine having a ready-to-sell, high-demand video course that equips your audience with the skills to master DeepSeek AI, one of the most advanced AI tools available today. Introducing the DeepSeek AI Mastery Video Course PLR, your ultimate ticket to dominating the AI revolution while keeping 100% of the profits. This isn't just another AI course, it's a complete, done-for-you business package, designed to help you educate, empower, and profit from the AI revolution effortlessly. This course covered 5 high-quality training videos and a comprehensive training guide with private label rights. Why DeepSeek AI? What makes it superior? DeepSeek AI isn't just another model, it's a game-changer in the AI industry. Unlike traditional AI models like ChatGPT or Gemini, which primarily focus on text-based responses, DeepSeek AI offers advanced natural language understanding, delivering more accurate, context-aware replies with deeper reasoning capabilities. While many AI models struggle with multimodal processing, DeepSeek AI seamlessly integrates text, images, and data, making it far more versatile. Plus, its optimized architecture ensures faster response times and lower computational costs, making it a smarter, more efficient choice for businesses and developers. This means you are stepping into a booming market with an evergreen, high-demand product. Why DeepSeek AI Mastery Video Course, PLR, is your perfect product. High-demand, evergreen market. 100% ready for instant profit. full PLR rights, rebrand, and retain 100% of profits. Here's what you'll receive with DeepSeek AI Mastery Video Course, PLR. 5 high-quality training videos. Professionally written training guide. 5 audio files. 5 raw video files. 5 expert presentation slides, PPT. High converting sales copy. Customer sales video. Professional graphics. Animated banners. Professionally written email swipes. Professional mini sites. Legal pages. Social media graphics. PDF graphics. Chapter images. And that's not all, you'll also receive a cheat sheet, a mind map, a top resource report, simple steps to profit with this PLR product. Download the ready-to-market product. Add your branding. Upload it to your server. Start selling and keep 100% of the profits. This is your chance to capitalize on the AI revolution, maximize your profits, and become a leader in the DeepSeek AI niche. Act now, this limited time opportunity won't be available forever. Your journey to success begins today.
Upgrades, OTOs. What's available? Once you grab the main package, you'll see some upgrade options. Here's a quick rundown. Upsell offer. Get 60 additional high-demand ebooks with PLR. 3 exclusive bonuses. Extra resources to increase your profits. These are optional, but if you want even more content to resell, this upsell is a no-brainer. What I love about DeepSeek AI Mastery. PLR, perfect for beginners. 0 tech skills required. Saves time, no content creation needed. Multiple ways to profit. Resell, bundle or use as lead magnets. What could be better? While this is high-quality package, keep in mind that it's not a unique, one-of-a-kind product. Others will have access to the same PLR content. So if you grab it, customize it a bit to stand out from the crowd. Final verdict, should you get it? If you're looking for an easy AI-powered way to sell your own digital product, then DeepSeek AI Mastery Video Course, PLR, is a solid investment. Grab it using my link below. And don't forget, my exclusive bonuses are waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. Thanks for checking out my DeepSeek AI Mastery PLR review. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next video.